So this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. So first thing first, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you're not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Now take a look at this your AUDUSD. You can see AUDUSD is what? Going to be giving us a bullish move for the day. See, it is able to tap this resistance level. Why are we going to be expecting that bullish move, which should be giving us about 136 pips? So with this movement, if you are to go in for your buy, we should be grabbing nothing less than 136 pips. So we will be grabbing at least 136 pips right on this moment. Why are we going to be expecting that movement is this? When you have to zoom it out on your go to your forward time frame. What can you say the trend is? It is very clear. This is a so market was able to rally up to tap our resistance, then it rejected from our resistance back to our support. Market eventually rejected from our support and came back to our resistance. Then it rejected from our resistance back to the support. Market then rallied up and came back to our resistance. Then it rejected from resistance back to our support. Market pushed up a bit. Then it eventually dropped, giving us kind of like a false breakout. This is here, right? You can also see it as support level because these are key previous level, right? These are some previous level right here. The market has rejected from the past. Market has rejected to this level from the past. So market has eventually dropped back to the support. Now with this movement, we should expect market to continue to short it, able to tap our resistance level. So this is one of the reasons why I said a bullish move is what we'll be expecting. So perfect for swing traders. Go ahead for your buy, hold your buy position for the next 3 days. You see that by that time, market should have tapped this resistance level and need 130 pips on this.